Welcome to my channel. Let's paint a simple landscape painting with easy steps. This is a beginner friendly tutorial. I start with the sky first. I'm using Pani's grey and ultramarine blue for the sky. I'm using a mop brush. You can use any round brush for this. For Moody sky, I am using a brush in a circular motion. So we will get that nice soft and moody effect. Leave some gap in between, so that will create a cloudy effect. I'm using 100% cotton watercolor paper. This is handmade watercolor paper. This is just a basic landscape painting for the beginners. Now I will start with the land area. For that I'm using burnt sienna and yellow ochre. I'm mixing on the paper only. I'm using lots of water for that area. Now for the distant trees, I'm using sap green, burnt sienna and ultramarine blue. Adding darker tones to the horizon line will give a nice depth to the picture. I won't give so many details in this painting because this is just a practice landscape painting. adding some more values. Now I'm adding darker tones in the land area. Lifting some paint from the middle. In the corners again add some darker values. I'm not giving so many details over here. You can create some easy paintings in short time. A painting is done. Hope you enjoy the painting. Adding some white highlights here and there. And let me know in the comments if you would like to see more easy landscapes or mini watercolor paintings like this for practice. I would love to know. Thank you for watching.